Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you favorite any NFTs into your Bitget wallet, and if you have already added some NFTs into your favorite and couldn't find it, I'm going to tell you where can you find your favorite NFTs. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. First of all, just simply open your Bitget wallet and then you are gonna see some homepage like this. Now you just simply have to select more icon into here, tap into more, and after that you will get this section of NFT. Just simply tap into NFT, and first of all, to favorite or to add into a favorite in any specific NFTs, I'm opening this car NFT. Now after opening this Wirebird Trans WXW 1977, you will get this love icon or heart icon just beside the name of the NFT. Tap into that and it will successfully be added to your favorite. Now, in order to check where your favorite NFTs will go, just simply go back to the page and you will directly see this option of favorites. Tap into favorites option, and after that you will get all of your favorite NFTs into this section. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.